Sennheiser microphone. Let's unbox it. Then, what's in the box? It's not factory sealed. There's no seal. That's what it is. All right. We do have manual. What else we do? Very nice pouch, which is nice. Wow. Winning. Now, that's a dead cat. Oh, it's not a dead cat. It's a foam. It can be used as a dead cat. Okay. Damn, it smells fantastic. Oh, and it's in blue. All right. So you can connect to your 3.5mm jack. And that's what I'm going to do. Well, the quality screams awesome. Oh, I thought it would be longer. In pictures, it was way longer. It's like you're schlong. Anyway. Yeah. Alright, this is how it sounds like without the dead cat. No dead cat. So, yeah, there you go. A little bit of wind. Not too much. A tiny bit. Alright. Alright. Let me put it... I didn't bring a tripod, unfortunately. So let me just put it on the box. Let me go away a little bit. It's 18 gain on the camera, directly to the camera. 18 gain. Do you still hear me? How many meters? Like 10 meters? 12? 20 meters? It's like 20 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 17 meters. 17 meters on 20. Is it 20 or 18? 20 gain. Let me bring a dead cat, and with the dead cat attached to it, any wind noise? There's a significant amount of wind. Do we hear any wind? That is the question. Look at it. Look at the trees. We do have some wind. Some. Not too much. I think it sounds great. Fantastic. Is it separating all the background? Not really. We still can hear kids and everything. This is a park, so there's a lot of kids. And noises. Noises from the store. I think that's the air condition noise. You can hear that noise. Alright. I also have a very nice stand for the microphone. K&M, made in Germany, 5 years warranty. Has weight on the end. You can like adjust it. It is very long. You can also adjust the height. You can adjust basically everything. The angle. It's super useful. Definitely recommend it. It has a handle. You can do whatever you like. I also bought the how do you call it? Converter from AliExpress to put it in the angle. Of course, you can buy a separate mounting from a Sennheiser. It's like very cheap, 10 bucks. And of course, we do have a low cut and power. Is it still on? I always forget to turn it off. And this is how it sounds like with a sound treatment room. Okay, there's not too much sound treatment. You see, there's an empty wall there. But do we hear any background noise? None. And this is super cool. This is a raw sample. I didn't do any treatment in post-production. Connected directly to the ZVE1 via 3.5mm jack and gain on the 18. So there's a plenty enough gain. You can hear that there's a little bit too much low end in this. It sounds a little bit muddy. That's true. But in this price range, I couldn't find anything better. Of course, you can buy 400 series from Sennheiser, but it's like 3 times more expensive, even 4. Yeah, something like that. That's no noise, no background noise, and I like it a lot. And of course, the freedom. I don't have any microphone connected to my shirt. I don't have to talk directly to something. It is a complete freedom. Of course, the microphone is above me. There you go, there you go. It's shooting directly to somewhere here. I like it a lot. That's what I have. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye. And I forgot to mention that the battery life is wow. But I always forget to turn it off. But switching the batteries is like 10 seconds. One AA battery. That's all it is. See you next video. Bye.